I fucking hate this! I fucking hate this! I fucking hate this! So, okay, we're gonna put a tile into the tile map. You can pause here to read these, and then right down here, you can pause here to read these. Okay, so we're gonna extract GTX and GTY from our input object, and then we're gonna use the lookup tables to get the diagonal offset, lateral multiplier X, and lateral multiplier Y. Now we need to know where our hotel is on a 3x3 grid, so we're going to take GTX and GTY, divide by the number of tiles in one hotel, and then floor the result. Now we got hotel 3x, 3y. 0, 1, or 2 on the X and Y axis. This is a monkey wrench macro. Hotel local X and Y. We want to localize GTX and GTY to the current hotel. So we're going to take the H3X, H3Y value and multiply by how many tiles are in one hotel. We're going to chop this off from GTX and GTY to get hotel local X and Y. Then once we have that, we can figure out which room of the hotel we're in within a 5x5 grid. So HLX, HLY divided by the number of tiles in one room, floor it, and now we have this grid position. Okay, now we want to linearize that. So G25 is the one-dimensional representation of this. Here's our formula right here. There's a 5 because it's a 5x5 grid. Okay, global max index is lateral span times 15 minus 1, and if we're out of bounds, then we're going to say that we're out of fucking bounds, okay? If we're out of bounds, then we cannot array access. Otherwise, G25 goes into here, and whether or not we're in a void room goes out. If we're in a void room, then we're going to set the output to a whole bunch of bullshit, and we're not fucking okay. Now, if we're not in a void room, then we want to get room local X, room local Y. So we're going to take hotel local X and Y, and we're going to chop off the room coordinate multiplied by how many tiles are in the current room. And now we have a room local XY tile coordinate, and we are okay. Now we're going to fetch the data in another video. Oh, actually, no, this is an error condition. We're going to fetch the data in another video, and then right over here, we're going to update the dirty rectangles for the GPU memory syncing. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. You have been here. If you want a longer explanation, you have to go here. I am out of fucking time. I don't want to record this again. I am making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game. It's called Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a it's kind of like Bomberman, Pocket Bomberman, except we're using GoldenEye-style proximity mines, if that makes sense. There's directional blasts, 4-way, horizontal, and vertical, and also, like, instant kill mines that don't have a timer, so when you touch them, they, like, immediately explode. Like and fucking subscribe. I'm making a goddamn game engine.